basically the sound comes out of this central point, and it goes through these tubes. But once it's attached to your head, the brainwaves can send out electrodes that touch on the ends, and because of the colors that are sequenced accordingly, it actually produces the sound of your thoughts. So with this, the sound of thinking is portrayed, you know? It's weird, and the only thing is the speaker that it has to come out of your own mouth. So you have to keep your mouth open while you do it, which isn't that bad. It's really cool because you just put this thing on and it says what you're thinking. Not necessarily says what you're thinking, it's more of a general weaving process in and out of your brain or something. It's really strange, but I just gotta show it to you. Cool, dude. Cool, dude. Okay, I'm gonna do it. And like I said, once it gets the once we tie the ends and I open up my mouth, you don't know what you're gonna hear, so hopefully it's not too scary. Right, the ends are just about tied. So yeah, that was it, you know. That was cool, man. Thanks, man. Yeah, I really appreciate it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. It's kind of overwhelming actually, because it's such a You just made it up in your brain right now? Yeah, new piece of equipment that is unlike anything ever created, so it's pretty exciting actually, yeah. Good job, man. Good job. Thanks, man. Yeah, thanks. Good job. Good job. Good job there. Good job. Thank you. Good job. Thanks. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. What'd you say? Good job, man. I thought I heard you say something else. Great job, man. It was freaking cool. So great. This is crazy, man. That's the thing. Mine doesn't do that. Mine just makes this noise. Kinda cool. Well, that was cool too, man. But, can you open up a door or something? Because I really don't want to be breathing that in. Bye. 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 Alright, see ya. Bye. Bye. Bye bye.